IKEA doesn't open stores just anywhere, nor do we do it very often. So when we do it, we make a long-term commitment. Which is why I'm so proud to be joined today by Mayor Kenny Alexander to announce that we will be hiring approximately 250 co-workers at IKEA Norfolk. That's 250 jobs in a variety of positions such as sales, customer service, interior design, visual merchandising, food service, replenishment, logistics, and many more.
IKEA is a very competitive process. You can imagine that states and cities all over the world are trying to attract IKEA to come to their market. This is a 331,000 square foot facility. Amazing, spectacular facility. We have all the latest technology and innovation so that shoppers will have a great experience. There will be seasonal jobs as well. In addition, all of the construction jobs that have been created here in Hampton Roads has been great for the economy. So in 2019, we look forward to this store opening, and we all can share in the IKEA experience.